Hi everyone, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do a Shiba Inu news update, talk about some of the things that are going on, some of the things we're also waiting on in terms of news and information. So welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment and informational purposes only. So take everything you hear here with a grain of salt, do your own research, and then help that inform your investing decisions. So let's go ahead and start with the coin market cap, and we'll take a look at Shiba Inu right now. And it has been falling a little bit right now, okay? But still, hanging out there in the top 40. We're sitting at number 36 right now, trading pretty flat today. Let's take a look at the charts here real quick on Shiba Inu. A lot of things in the red here early on in the day as well. So take a look at the 24-hour low. We're down 0.9, and then the 24-hour high got up to 12. So some decent fluctuation there between those two numbers. Still a market rank of number 37. As we're loading up this data here, let me hop back over here actually and just show you this. Shiba Inu price performance over time. So we take a look here at the 200 days. Look at this, up over almost 13%, 13,000% rather. Or actually, I'm sorry, 13 million percent. 60 days, 17,000%. 30 days looks at almost 300%. But you can see the 14-day, 500%. But then look at here, the last 7 days. It's been pretty rough. Okay, down 53%. And really, it's been tough for a lot of things during the crash, right? All right, so now we got the chart up. Let's take a look at the 1 day on SHIB. So you can see we're kind of just trading downwards here, trending downwards rather, and then kind of flattening out here. We're still looking for one of those catalysts to help us, help propel us back up. And of course, we have been seeing some new exchanges, so this is good. Dear traders, we've successfully added SHIB to HIT BTC here, so you can trade SHIB against BTC and USDC on HIT BTC, which is good. I mean, this is good news. Just came out 3 hours ago from their official Twitter, which now has over 450,000 followers. This number continues to rise, which, if we're looking for any kind of silver lining right now, that is one. The army is getting bigger in that regard. More and more people are following them on Twitter. But obviously, the real big news here that we're waiting for is Shibaswap, and we're going to get that. We're going to get to that at the end of the video. So this is an interesting article I wanted to talk about a little bit. Shiba Inu price prediction, SHIB price movement uncertain as the crypto coin is cornered between significant barriers. So Inu price prediction shows the crypto coin is exchanging hands in a tight price region between the 204-hour simple moving average. A price depreciation towards the, we'll just call it 655, will nullify the bullish outlook and trigger the beginning of a steep price depreciation. So this is a number to be aware of, right? Shiba Inu is one of the up-and-coming virtual assets, creating shockwaves in the crypto market. However, recent price movements show the crypto coin is recovering slowly, unlike most altcoins. The current slow-paced price recovery shows Shiba Inu is experiencing weak buying pressure. That's really the big concern right now, guys. We just need more buyers. If we look at the volume here, you can see a nice, well, not nice, but a decline here in the buying pressure, right? So we need this to pop back up. Will Shibaswap help, this buying pressure trend back upwards? I think it could. But again, we're still waiting on that news. So here's a general price overview. As Shiba Inu strives to record positive price movements, it appears the crypto coin will face a wide area of resistance following the, this should say, May 19th market crash. Previously, these resistance areas were key support regions for the cryptocurrency. SHIB is trying to stage a comeback after its dismissal performance of its 48-hour chart. At present, the crypto coin is trading at around 9.4, which is pretty close to where it is right now. Yeah, it's about 9.2. At present, the crypto coin is trading at 9.4, so which is a 7% below its yesterday's lowest price. So we come down here and take a look at some of the movement in the past 24 hours. It's pretty ugly on the charts right now. A lot of people selling off, but we take a look at the 4-hour and it starts to level off a little bit in the recency. If we're looking at just recently, the last 6 to 8 hours. So here's a good conclusion. I like this aspect too, because they give us some numbers to watch for. So according to the chart, if Shiba Inu plunges below that 204-hour simple moving average at around, call it 820, it'll mark the start of another bearish price movement. If the ongoing selling pressure continues, SHIB risks invalidating all its bullish prospects. Shiba Inu could record a 36-hour price decline in the event of a price dip that will see it plummet towards the 420 level. So this is good because they're giving us some numbers to watch for as we continue to keep our eye on the price. All right, in terms of this article, I pulled out just one thing here, one thing that I wanted to mention. So a couple estimates here, a couple predictions. And Digital Coin Price estimates the high price of SHIB can go to 4607. Currently, our high price was in the threes. I believe it was like in the 3.8 range, the all-time high. So this digital coin price gives an all-time high prediction by 2025, that is, of 4607. So, you know, pretty bullish, or excuse me, pretty bearish compared to some other price predictions. Of course, we're hoping to get to 1 cent one day. But again, a lot still to answer. There's a lot of unknowns right now because Shibaswap is, you know, kind of the crux of the entire ecosystem, and we still haven't really seen what that looks like yet, right? The Wall Street investor has more of a negative forecast, even more negative than digital coin price, predicting SHIB will fall to between 0.29 and 0.16 by the end of 22. So they have this free falling even more. So there are some bearish predictions out there, and I think that's important that we bring those to everybody's attention. Now, to wrap up this video, I wanted to go over the website a little bit here on SHIB, and you'll see that they, you know, talk about the ecosystem here, how to buy Shibaswap, right? The NFT ventures, which I really think is an underrated aspect of SHIB here, and hopefully they can get involved in the NFT space in some regard. We know about the rescue mission that they have with Amazon. But let's go back up, and right at the top here, you'll see a link that says read our wolf papers. So if we open up the wolf papers, it'll say the future of Shibaswap. So it says to assure the longevity of Shibaswap and the Shiba Inu ecosystem, 5% of all BONE per block, or BPB, will be allocated to a multi-signature activated dev wallet. Okay, this is future developments of Shibaswap too. All right, so here's what this looks like if we break this down. And again, this PDF is available right on their website. Read the wolf paper here, 22-page document. At least you can be better informed about the entire ecosystem and what this looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 50%, so roughly 6,250 BONE. Okay, this is the fund. This will be put towards the financial relief that our developers, admins, and marketing team need to make our ecosystem their full focus. Okay, so then that number is broken down into developers getting 4 million BONE. This allocation will allow each of the volunteer developers to be both compensated for their initial investment and also offer salary so they can work on this exclusively for years to come. In terms of the OG admins, 1,250,000 BONE here, and the OGs are the veterans of the SHIB Army. And they have all earned medals in fighting daily FUD and fending off bot takeovers. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You hear that term a lot in the crypto space. This fund allows the dev team to have a trusted group of admins deployed across multiple channels to secure a safe space where Shiba fans build community without being bothered by FUD, scams, and other issues. Then that last 1 million BONE will go toward marketing. Okay, so the Shiba Inu ecosystem is even more impressive when you consider that so far the entire effort has succeeded without spending $1 on marketing, which is pretty crazy. That's just the power of social media, right? However, this BONE pile will allow the team to deploy international marketing strategies such as commercials that will make SHIB the freshest mainstream cryptocurrency name, sharing the ranks with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Interesting, SafeMoon actually had an interesting marketing strategy in Times Square in New York City here. They had a huge billboard. So, you know, could something like that for SHIB down the line be accessible by, you know, this fund here? We'll have to see. But then the other 50% is going to the ecosystem development fund. So this is going to be put toward the continued advancement of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Soon after Shibaswap has launched, it is up to us to keep that momentum going. Okay, this allocation will give us the rocket fuel we need to send this puppy to the moon and beyond. All right, so just wanted to read a little bit there for you on here. And again, this wolf paper, a 22-page document that you can go to and check out. So please do that so you're, you know, a little bit better informed and, you know, you're able to make better decisions. So One other thing I wanted to highlight here, trading volume right now is down too. So, this number here at the peak of SHIB was a lot higher than this number, right? So volume way down right now, but again, I think we need a catalyst. So that's what we're waiting for. But I don't want to come on here and say, hey, great news for Shiba today, because right now it's not great. But hopefully we get a catalyst soon. We hear some things from Shibaswap, and that could point us in the right direction. So hope you enjoyed the update. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.